Hello guys, U1104 here. Time for a video of my 1986 Hoover Junior U1104. Bought this about a couple of months ago, maybe even just a month ago. Got about £25 including postage from eBay, which is fantastic. Very good seller. Now this model was the successor of the U1036, and it was the last model of Junior as in that way. Well, it was the last model of Junior in its own right, to put it simply, before it went into the Turbo Power Junior, of which there were a couple or a few versions, and then it was just a Turbo Power. So this was a Curry's exclusive, I believe. I don't think that's original, and the back's definitely not original. But it was a Curry's exclusive, hence the colour. You've got, I wouldn't lie, short flex. Bag, these is H1 bags. Original Hoover in there just now, as you can see. Held on by a belt. Now you've got the multi-purpose pedal here. Now, very simple how this one works. You just press it lightly, release the handle, and then again, that click turns it on, that's off, and that's it. Or you can even do it twice. Do it all in one, by pressing it very hard. And you see that turned it on and released. Obviously in turn on because I'm not plugging it in, but you get the idea, I'm sure. Now, underneath we have a good old agitator brush roll, which is very pitted and corroded and whatnot, but brushes are good, beaters are good, so it's fine. But these were exceptionally good at cleaning carpets, but only if your carpets aren't glued down. If your carpets are glued down, no air can pass through them. Thus, it defeats the purpose of it. Beating, well, it doesn't defeat the purpose, but it doesn't actually work as intended. That's when the activator comes into place, and it works better. Now here, you can see, well, maybe you can't, that it says Hoover model U1104, serial number U1104 609000398. It's 300 watts. And it was made in 1986, the 9th month. So, there you go. Pretty light vacuum cleaner. You can't really just... There's no carry handle, but it doesn't need it because easy to lift. And I'm lifting it kneeling down, so it's very easy to lift. As I said, that's not original, I don't think. It's obviously Hoover original, but it's not original to this actual one. 4 height settings, but I do find there's not much difference between second lowest and the lowest, but hey ho. That's about it really. This one's made in Britain, which it sure is, and it's still there for about another 10 years, and then they went over to China. Tisk tisk. Oh well, more to come, and there'll be one of it in auction, so see you guys.